I always thought Emily was a pretty name.
You know, so I don't really take pictures, man. Like,
You can't tell me that. We need to document, when we just started dating.
You know, business why MP you have with that, Insurance money, man, do this, man.
You see when I see him, I go put a shot in the head,
Yo, this a movie how we do now, I go make we get the gun them. I want some farm work program to hear.
Boss man, just get the people them to vote me, just want to win.
Judge Baker for you.
Yo, me have to come out, man. I'm telling that,
Thank you, John Wayne. Thank you so much.
Minister Pastor, you don't even know what you're doing.
I just dumb farm, man. Yo. John Wayne, oh, I'm here, man. Put on your hand, you hear that, man. You see government, give one of them, man. Everybody get one, man.
Money for your pay around here. What the tell her this boy? Money for your run.
Oh, well,
You want some weed? Me can give you some weed. Me no want no weed, man. John Wayne. Job done, man.
You sure?
Yeah, man, deal with the wicked, man.
You check it.
Yeah, man, check him, man. That boy, I mean.
hold on, now, man. Take time, talk, now, man.
Hey. No one see him. And you are gonna make me see him. You understand me?
Yes, Miss Madison. You can send the money down.
Detective Baker, you just pull up, sir. I want to you now. How much people you collect from?
Big man, hear me I say. Just love out my sister. And I don't talk with her. Just know so I know where to find.
You can't hug up your sister away or me hug up your sister, You can't pinch her in her side.
There yourself.
Never change. But you have to just understand, say, you still have to protect your community. You still have a lot of people who are looking out for me.
Me no lick up, me no beat up nobody or broke no hand.
Come like say, that boy not understanding himself,
Think you're my worst person because you know a lot of people like him, but you don't know John Wayne.
The people, they must say, John Wayne.
can I ask one question?
Just switch, boss. Yes or no?
Me not tell her something how well, me not tell her long run short catch.
Them dirty woodlums, man.